Hi YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Girl Stacker, and on this channel I talk about stacking cash, coins, and cryptos. In today's video, I'll be doing a surprise unboxing. The reason it's a surprise is because I'm not actually sure what's in this package. I made a purchase from an online estate sale, and they sell items in lots and they don't tell you specifically what's included. So stay tuned for this video and we will unbox it together. Before I open this package, let me tell you why I decided to purchase an item like this in the first place. I won a $30 Visa gift card from attending a financial literacy workshop. The workshop was focused on teaching people how to build their wealth and save their wealth. And since I got the card learning about building wealth, I figured I should use it on something that helps me build my wealth. So as you may know, prepaid Visa gift cards do have some restrictions. You typically have to use the full balance or else you'll lose it. You usually can't transfer funds from one account to another, and if you're using it to buy at certain online retailers, sometimes they don't let you use two forms of payment. So you need to make a purchase that is the value of the card or less, because if it's more than the value of the card, you often can't add a different form of payment to the transaction. So I was looking for a purchase that I could make that was $30 or under, all in one fell swoop. My first thought was to buy some silver from SD Bullion or JM Bullion, but both of those sites charge more when you use credit, and they also charge for shipping if you buy under a certain amount. And because I was only going to spend this $30, I knew I couldn't afford to get an ounce of silver plus pay the shipping and the increased fee with the credit. So I decided to move on. Then I thought about maybe I can go to my local coin shop and buy an ounce of silver. But again, local coin shops prefer cash and they charge a little bit extra if you use credit. And honestly, I prefer to pay cash, especially when I go to my local coin shops. Finally, I decided to go to eBay and check out what I could purchase there. As I was searching eBay, I found a very interesting listing. The listing was for an estate sale and it had exactly what I hoped to spend, $29.99. Let me show you the listing. This was the eBay listing that I thought was very interesting. As you can see, it's labeled uncirculated silver coins, US gold bars, bullion estate sale, Morgan dollar vintage. And the price was $29.99. They had 573 units available. These are the pictures. Let me read the description that they had. Everything you see in the photos must go, so maybe these are real photos. So the more lots you buy, the more likely you will receive some of the more scarce coins from the chest. There are thousands upon thousands of coins here, so there is no way to guarantee exactly what type of coins, dates, mint marks, or denominations you will get. And then they have a list of things that you are guaranteed to receive in your package. So, this is the package. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, this looks like a display. It says display. Oh, okay, I got some pearls. Oh, that's it. So they definitely told me that I'd get some pearls in the listing. Cut that open. This is the vial of gold flakes. Here are the freshwater pearls. Here are 3 pennies. Let's see what year these are. 1961, 1961. 1961. Here are 3 dimes, 2 dimes. Let's see, 1961. 1961. These are awfully great condition. They're much better than my dimes that are 90% dimes. Another penny. This one is 1968. And we have 2 Mercury dimes. They are years 1942 and 1943. It's great. Perfect. All right, let's see what this guy is. Is it just a display or are there coins in here? All right, okay, struggle life. There, ooh, that looks nice. 1982 proof set. Got a dime, got a penny, a nickel, quarter, half dollar, and a, I guess just a, I don't know what this is. If you know what this is, tell me in the comments below. Leave a comment and help me. But I think it's just a Department of Treasury coin, more like a statement coin. Based off of the actual value of the items on the table, it doesn't seem like I got my full $30 worth. I could be wrong about that. I will definitely go and check with my local coin shop to see about these, and maybe I'm missing something someplace else, but it seems like my overall redemptive value here is less than $30, more like $13 to $20. The value of these dimes, if I was just pricing them at 90%, would be around $7.50. This proof set is selling on eBay for between $4 and $10. I've seen lots of different prices, and there are millions of them for sale right now, so it's not particularly special. It's special to me because of the date, but in terms of redemptive value, not that expensive. I've seen these pennies on eBay going for 99 cents each. And then these pearls, there are no listings for loose freshwater pearls. And then this flake gold, again, it's like literally worth pennies. And so, yeah, total, this is not $30 worth of coin or other things, but I'm still pretty happy with this because of this proof set. I wouldn't have otherwise purchased a proof set for my birth year. So that's pretty special, and I was pretty excited about that. Also, I did get some real silver, and that was really the goal, to get some silver. And then in retrospect, this was a really valuable lesson. You know, don't buy things sight unseen, and trust that if the item is probably really worth it, the seller will keep it. Let me know if you have any experience like this, purchasing items from an estate sale or buying a lot of goods that you can't specifically identify. Let me know your horror stories and your success stories. I feel like this is an in-between mix for me. What do you think? Was it a success? Was it a fail? Was it someplace in between? Definitely leave your comments below. I do hope that this was valuable and maybe even a little entertaining. If you like this video, please do give us a like, a thumbs up, because that does matter for the YouTube algorithm, and generally it just supports this channel. Until next time, I'm the Girl Stacker. Thanks for being here. Bye.